and colorful soaps. What we need 2 cups, 2 clear soaps, 1 white soap, and 1 dried lavender.
1 mold, 3 bags of glitters, charms, bags, 1 spoon, stirrer, oil, and gift box.
Let's cut 2 of the clear soaps and melt it.
Now let's cut the white soap and melt it.
Now we melted the soap and we're gonna put it in the molds.
Looks like milk. Hold on. Looks like milk. Mine looks like milk. And
Now we'll add the glitters to the soap. Oh, glitter!
Kind of big.
Now we're gonna add some charms.
Ew. Dip it in there. Now we're gonna add some essential oil. Ew. It's not coming anymore. But
Oh, so hard.
squeeze mine's coming. See? So pink. This one's so pink.
This is so yellowish.
Now
let's try it for 20 minutes.
Shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bam! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Cut.
Rock, paper.
Like this. Looks like a cupcake or shell.
It's a
Now I'm gonna do the hearts, everyone. Got it. Got the heart looks like.
I'm gonna do circle.
That's a rose.
Now we're gonna pack it.